Hello. Today I'll show you how to create a glowing line art effect in Photoshop. Import image. I use this PNG. Image link in description. Select all by pressing Ctrl A, align into center. Deselect all by pressing Ctrl D. Right-click on the image layer, select Convert to Smart Object. Go to Filter, choose Stylize. Select Find Edges. Go to Image, choose Adjustments. Select Invert. Select Background Layer. Click on the adjustment layer, select Solid Color. Select Black Color. Select Image Layer. Click on the adjustment layer, select Black and White. If you want colors, hide Black and White adjustment layer. Now time to add action magic. If you want to learn how to create an action, leave comments and do subscribe. I will make a video on making new action. That's it. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials.